everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I am finally going to organize my spices. Finally. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'll wait. Let me show you what I will be organizing. Okay, spice cabinet, which is a mess. It's a mess, a hot mess, but we're going to get you. We're gonna organize you today. So let me show you the containers that I will be using. I bought them on the Amazon. They're very simple, but I love them because they are so simple, but they're just very clean cuts, okay? So let me show you. These are some of the ones that I'm gonna put like extra stuff in. Not necessarily spices, but just like extra things. I originally thought that these were gonna be a lot bigger than what they are. I did read the measurement, but in my head, I still thought it was gonna be bigger. But we're gonna work with this. If I still end up needing the bigger ones, then I might order the bigger ones, but I'm not sure. So I ordered these labels because I don't like the other ones. So one is bigger than the other. This one's bigger for these jars. And then the smaller ones for the actual spice jars. We'll see how it goes because I didn't like these. They're nice, but they're just not for me. And these are the other spice jars. So they're very regular. They come with, I think this is a sifter. With the sifter, yes, a sifter. So they come with that, which the ones that I currently have don't. But yeah, very simple, very clean. I feel like the label really will make it look a little bit fancier, but it's really not. I just need something more streamlined than what I have right now, because what I have right now, I'll show you. So this is what I have right now, which it works. It did what it had to do, but I use them, but everybody else ends up not using them because they don't have a sifter. I got these at, is it Hobby Lobby? I think it was Hobby Lobby. They have a lot of things like this, and it was pretty cheap. And I ended up just writing it with a chalk marker and then putting clear glass on top. It did what it needed to do, but now we need something better. These containers came with this little thing that pops out so you can fill your spice like this. So you got these and all of these, which it's a lot. It's honestly a lot. I wish I liked these, but I don't. I really like the aesthetic of these. I think that was it. So now what we're gonna do is bring everything down from there, that mess, and then sort things out so that way I can see what I have, what I don't need, and start filling. Should be fun. I probably need more coffee, but it's okay. The scariest part is to take everything down and then you see the entire mess in front of you, but it's honestly the necessary thing to do. Okay, so we got everything down, and there's a lot of things in there. A lot. So I was really excited to start filling, so here I'm just putting all the spices on the other side so I can start. 2 hours later, and I am done with this stuff. So I'm gonna see how it fits over there. I think I need a special rack for it, but for the meantime, I'm just gonna put it in there and see how it looks. I definitely need another way of displaying them because they're all in there. So here I'm putting the extra stuff in the bigger containers, as honestly, it looks so cute. You guys will see. Just putting all the stuff on these containers. I'm not gonna use these. I think I'm just gonna write. I think I'm just gonna write what it is because it's very particular, like, you know. So I'm just gonna write what it is. Here I'm putting away the back stock of the spices in a clear bin. I feel like the medicine should be in a clear bin so that way we see what we have. Okay, so we went to Walmart and we got this thing real quick for the spices because like that you can't even see them. And then more wicker baskets because I don't like that you can see that. To me that looks messy. So yeah. He's mad because it's not in alphabetical order.
I'll fix it.
No, but like if you put it in alphabetical order, then
it's good.
To find the garlic,
you go to the G section.
No, yeah. It's in the way that we use it the most. He can stay mad, okay? Because I'm not gonna put the garlic all the way over there, okay? I'm not. Or the salt all the way over there. It don't make no sense. Yeah, it does. No, okay? You be cooking? No. When was the last time you cooked? I don't like this, but whatever. That's like to hang somewhere. So I ended up switching what was in the other wicker basket into the new wicker basket, so it's all uniform. And then some of the extra stuff, like I think there were some sort of seeds, I forget. I put them in these reusable Ziplocs that I got on Amazon as well. I love these. Yeah, so that way everything is nice and neat. The other thing that I would need is probably some sort of label for the wicker baskets, so that way we know exactly what's in there.
It doesn't quite fit there anyway.
It doesn't. Wow, we are done. We are done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around to watching me organize my spice cabinet. It was well overdue. The last time I did it was like 3 years ago and it needed to be done because clearly it was out of hand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you in my next video.